Yeah, so Akhanda, 11 months of journey on shoot mode. Yes, so which is the most memorable day on the set?
Most memorable was the dance song, Jai Balia. I enjoyed it thoroughly, had a blast, had a lot of fun, and that's my favorite 5 days of shooting for the film.
Yes, so your first love is dance.
Yes.
So can you give a small step, at least with the hands and all, something to, it's like dedicating to all Balia fans.
What I'll do? Yeah, Jai Balia, Yema Gurrale Kale Musaya Saya.
Yeah, so coming to Akhanda family, I have a task here. So
Okay.
we all watch the reality show Big Boss.
Yes.
Why should have Big Boss only the task? Why can't Mirror TV have a task?
We can have it. Let's do it.
Let's do it? Yeah. So you should say about the Akhanda family members, which I give the smileys to you. You just reflect them with the smiles.
Oh.
So I keep explaining you. So usually we put the smileys, emojis in the WhatsApp routine.
Yes.
Yes. So now you just give a dedication.
This is
by
Madhushri,
emoji.
my makeup artist. She's always smiling, blushing, being cute.
Yeah. And who is like Tom and Jerry on the set? You and Balia sir?
Tom and Jerry?
Yeah.
On set means one has to run behind the other. There's no.
No.
Just two fun people.
Okay.
Two fun people.
Actually, Tom and Jerry reflect that they fight like no one fights in the world,
Yes.
but they can't live without each other, like best
Yes.
friends forever.
Two people like that on our set.
So you're thinking a lot. So
Yeah.
something is the messy over there. Just
No,
let us
there's
know.
nobody like that.
No one.
Nobody fights on our set. Everyone is happy.
It's not about real
but
fight. It's a
but
cute.
Two people like that.
So compare you with someone else.
Me and Madhu. Me and my makeup artist.
Again. So Madhu got 2 words in this, the task. Okay. So Madhu section was done because only 2 votes.
Okay.
So many Akhanda family is a very huge
I
family.
will tell you what to do. Your questions are like that.
Yeah. Again the Cherry. Cherry is like only single person.
This is Balu. He is one of the AD for our film.
Okay.
Boy Party Balu.
Boy Party Balu. Yeah. And who is the lawyer? Like always keep judging you. Like no.
Not judging, but this is Tata Garu.
Tatagaru.
He is a co-director of our film.
Oh, co-director Tatagaru. Yeah. And who is very foodie?
Foodie is me.
You.
Yes.
This is a self-nomination. Nowadays, the self-nomination is
Yes.
very common, and so ee task la kuda
I'm a foodie. Everyone keeps saying if Pragya is not shooting, she's eating. That's me.
సో హెల్త్ కి సంబంధించిన టిప్, సో తన డైట్ కి సంబంధించిన టిప్ ఏంటో ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిపోయే లోపు ఏదో తెలుసుకోవాలి. సో యా, అండ్ సర్కాస్టిక్, ఆల్ టైమ్ సర్కాస్టిక్.
Boy Party sir, he keeps pulling everyone's legs, keeps joking around, not sarcastic, but he's like funny and cracking jokes. So Boy Party sir.
Boy Party sir. Yeah. Coming to angry, all time gussa.
Nobody is angry on our set ever.
No one.
Smiling people always.
Always, yeah. Who is so funny?
Balakrishna sir.
Balagas.
He's always cracking jokes, singing songs, and he's not the emoji, but funny.
Yeah.
Good energy, happy person, making everyone laugh is Balakrishna sir.
సో మీకు డైలాగ్ కాస్త కష్టం అనిపించినప్పుడు, అది కొంచెం టంగ్ రోల్ అయినప్పుడు మీకు బాగా సపోర్టింగ్ చేసింది ఎవరు? అండ్ హూ ఇస్ ద కూల్గా సపోర్ట్ చేసిన
Coolest person on our set is Boy Party sir.
సో అగైన్
Most supportive and most helpful and best person, Boy Party sir.
సో 2 words, yeah. And the final thing, just yes, you just say by the emoji what you're thinking of.
This is Rampi sir, Ram Prasad Garu. He's the DOP of our film. Always happy, smiling, and just every day just smiling, no matter how hard the day is, how much he has to work in the sun, in the rain, whatever. smiling always. This is Ram Prasad Garu.
ఎస్ సో ప్రతి సినిమాకి మ్యూజిక్ అన్నది వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ పిల్లర్. సో మరి అఖండ సినిమాకి మన ఎస్ఎస్ తమన్ ద మ్యూజికల్ మ్యాన్ సంగీతం అందించారు. సో సే ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ అబౌట్ ఎస్ఎస్ తమన్.
Taman, as everybody knows, is one of the great music directors of Telugu cinema. He's done a fantastic job in Akhanda. You can see in the trailer, the BGM is outstanding. It's next level. It takes you to a different world, like a trance. And the songs are amazing. There's a sweet, beautiful melody song, Adiga, Adiga. Lovely to hear, so soothing. And it's shot beautifully also. So the music and the video, everything is complementing. Very nice song. And then there is Jai Balia, which is high on energy and, you know, great lyrics and good composition and good choreography. So all thanks to Taman for making the film look so good and elevating it. And you know, the music is one of the plus points of our film. And very happy that Taman is a part of our team, because you know, everyone has done their best in Akhanda.
Yes.
And so definitely it's one of Taman's best work also. I can confidently say that.
Yes. So Pragya, just tell me on the one sentence about Akhanda.
Akhanda is a movie which is high on emotion, action, drama. Everybody will connect with the film. So I think everyone should come and watch Akhanda in the theatres on the 2nd of December, and after, come with your family and friends and enjoy the film.
Yeah. So Akhanda producers gurinchi cheppandi.
My producers of our film Akhanda are Miryala Ravindra Reddy Garu and Sridhar Garu, and they are like the silent backbones of our film. This is my second film with them also, Dwarka Creations. So very, very happy that I got a chance to work with them again. They are the best producers ever, the sweetest people, and the journey with them has been so smooth and comfortable that I'm very happy that I'm a part of Akhanda.
ఎస్, మరి December 2nd అఖండ వరల్డ్ వైడ్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ప్రజ్ఞ మాత్రం మస్త్ ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉంది. అండ్ బెనిఫిట్ షో కూడా నేను చూడను, డైరెక్ట్గా ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షోనే చూస్తాను అందరితో పాటు. మరి మన సినిమా చూడాల్సిందే అంటూ తను భల్ల గుద్ది చెప్తున్నట్టు చెప్పేస్తుంది. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రజ్ఞ ఫర్ గివింగ్ అస్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ రిగార్డింగ్ ద అఖండ. అండ్ అఖండ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాజ్ డామ్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అని తన మాటల ద్వారా తెలుసుకున్నాం మనము. సో ప్రజ్ఞ, ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. ఇంకా చాలా సినిమాలతోటి మన తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల ముందుకి రావాల్సిందిగా మేమందరం కోరుకుంటున్నాము. సో మరి ప్రజ్ఞ ఈ సినిమాలో ఒక్క డైలాగ్ మా అందరి కోసం చెప్పేసి బాయ్ బాయ్ చెప్పేద్దాం ఇక. సో ప్రజ్ఞ, మరి నీ మాటల ద్వారా మాకు ఒక చిన్న వర్డ్ కావాలి అఖండ నుంచి. సో అఖండాలో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్ ఏంటి?
You have to go and watch the movie in a theatre for the dialogues, but one thing I can say, and that is Jai Balia. Hi, this is Pragya Jaiswal. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hey everybody, this is me Noel. Please like, share and subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi everyone, Nenu mi Avantika Mishra. Please keep watching Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Pavni Gangireddy. Keep watching Mirror TV.